Hi everyone. This is a short video on responsible party. So let's go ahead and log into LS2 Staff. And if my internet was faster, this would be a shorter video. Alright, so you're going to search by responsible party. I am going to look for Fatima Martinez, a teacher here on our campus. Fatima Martinez's borrower ID number is where I would check a book out to her. So you click on her name. This is her borrowing account where you would check out a book to her. So let's just say we want to check out a book to a student that is in Fatima Martinez's class. I would look for Fatima Martinez. And I get a list of classes. In high school, she of course has various classes, first, second, fourth, fifth, and eighth periods. But in elementary school, you would probably only have one entry for that teacher, other than the one that is her personal borrowing account. So when you click on the class for the teacher, all the students in her class will come up. And if you want to check out a book to Crystal Baron under Fatima Martinez's responsible party, you would click on Crystal Baron and check out a book to her here. If you're not quite sure, click on borrower information, scroll down, and it'll show you that Fatima Martinez is a responsible party. If your school has a dual language program and one teacher is the responsible party, but they share the class as dual teachers, and the second teacher brings the class in to the library to check out books, you would still need to check out to the responsible party, the original teacher assigned to the class, in order to find the student. All right, guys, hope that helped. Call Armando if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.